Hi, I'm John from APG Connect. I'm excited to share with you how our done-for-you Money Hub turnkey business system can help create value-added services, solutions, and additional profit systems for business owners. Our innovative marketing system provides an online business portal instantly, bringing additional profits and a unique solution with auxiliary tools to establish long-lasting customer relationships. It offers a trendy and hot topic, making money online, working from home, and business building with automation. The system operates in a unique way, integrating real-time interactive chat platforms and live video streaming from all over the world, which is directly integrated into each business owner's brand website. Done for you, a turnkey program with your domain name. We've partnered with an internationally renowned business education company to launch this value-added marketing system designed for SME business owners. It offers various high-converting sales funnels on popular business courses, business systems and tools, making it easy for you and your customers to learn and make money online. We also provide a powerful AI marketing and sales automation system that can effectively assist business owners in capturing potential customers, collecting many reviews, promoting local business homepage rankings in Google search engines, cultivating long-term relationships between businesses and customers, and expanding the brand influence of the business. This turnkey Money Hub business system is your online business's new brand and can even be sold as a complete business. It becomes your dynamic business asset and helps your business stand out in the red ocean of industry competition. Hence, this unique value-added Money Hub and marketing system will create a win-win situation for all parties involved. The system works because this live streaming and chat platform, combined with the main system of the world's top business education company platform, is operated by the world's top marketing expert team every week and participates in real-time interaction in multiple locations around the world, bringing excitement and positive energy to your Money Hub. You will earn the share commission from the sales conducting real-time, or our automated sales system will do the ongoing sales follow-up by providing values. That you need to participate in is to use our marketing experts' invitation and sharing strategies to invite your existing customers, business associates, friends and family, and social network fans to watch weekly live stream shares on your own Money Hub platform and experience genuine interactions from people around the world. In addition, the APG Connect advanced level of Money Hub system and B2B2C affiliate marketing program can help business owners build the same system as APG Connect as a one-stop shop solution. You can design your own value-added product and services to suit your customers and clients better and convert existing and future customers into your own affiliate marketing programs for referrers or promoters. The system is suitable for businesses in various industries. We offer a zero-risk guarantee plan for you, and the basic package version can be obtained and used for free. Contact APG Connect to discuss the most suitable package plan for your business, and let's take your business to the next level. Join us now to benefit from our value-added marketing solution and Money Hub system, adding brilliance to your successful business journey and long-term business prosperity.